This is our MCP AI agent for WordPress plugin. So I have already uploaded. So I am activated now. Click it. Now activated. Check the plugin. Actually, what we have built it. Just click the AI agent gateway. So here showing the list of posts, search post. Also, you can see everything what we listed here. List plugin, list read option, everything we can set up. You can put it. So your AI automatically read everything. So now done. So this is go to our dashboard. So your API is done, and API endpoint is this our endpoint here, isn't? So your API can control everything from here. Like go to your dashboard. So this is the dashboard of you. So you can see everything from here. So this is the dashboard, and you can the MCP endpoint is your endpoint is controlled from here. So when you fire this, so it will show the no root for the basic or 404. So here need to put the API case, then it will work. Then click the agent. You can show all the option here. Which agent you can put, editor, author, sorry, everything you can control here. Then approved queue, what actually works. Then activity log, showing the what types of tasks actually doing from the policy and the policy show everything. Then also tools, and the tools here everything can show, create post, update post, manage term, list comment, approve comment, spam comment, list plugin, manage plugin, check action, everything they can control. Also the setting, you can check the setting from here, everything. So that's the AI agent in the WordPress.